Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you a cool Python program that capitalizes letters based on their ASCII values. The logic is simple. If the ASCII value of a character is even, we convert it to uppercase. If it's odd, we convert it to lowercase. Non-letter characters like punctuation or spaces are kept as they are. Let's check the code and see how it works with different strings. Try it out yourself, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.